what it can do, but yeah, the best thing to do is do not attempt it. Little by little. Oh man. Can't wait to break it in. And the final torque specifications. Gonna add this new manifold O-ring or whatever y'all want to call it thing. This is for like an HPI Savage manifold. Make sure it's nice and seated. Right. We have this. We're not gonna be using this pull start anymore, so it's going in the parts bin. Oh, hell yeah. Hell yeah. That's what I'm talking about, boys. I don't know what's with... Who put a shock piston inside a bag? Good grief. Oh yeah, it fits. She fits, boys. Nice. Very nice. Oh, look at that. You can run this on SH engines as well. This is what it tells you. Ah, okay. So that's what the... Man, I'm not gonna lie. I don't know why they would throw a shock piston in there. Hey, but could be useful. So this is what it tells you right here. For FCO force engines, no extra washer. With an alpha engine, 2.5 of the thickness of the little washer, and with SH, 5 millimeters. Wow, so I didn't even notice that. Okay, alright. That's pretty cool that they make not only for their engines, but for other engine manufacturers. Shit, you could probably run this on the LP32. Maybe. I don't know, but maybe. Okay, that's interesting. But the thing is that the big block SH engines has like a bigger offset for the screw mounts, but who knows? Who knows? Alright, in you go. In you go. Oh yeah, it turns over just fine. Yes, sir, that is good to know. So the screws are going to start to bottom out somewhere here. It's also going to start to form, so yeah, don't go any further. Just thought I'll let you know. That's a piece of the puzzle, and she is done. Now let's install it back on a truck. Okay, and now we're going to install it back on a truck, just like that. Well, dang. Anyway, I thought I was recording, but anyway, so this is what an improper gear mesh sounds like. So we're gonna have to adjust it. I already added thread locker on all these screws, but haven't tightened them yet because we're gonna have to move them up or down to adjust our gear mesh. Already, I just had to elevate the engine, or I just have to move the engine upwards as we're facing right now, like I have to move it all the 4 screws up. Now the engine, or I'm sorry, now the backlash of the gear should be set. Next, now we are going to install our manifold with the pipe. Working it nice and easy because we don't want to damage that silicone. Sorry guys, it's hard to do one-handed, but okay. Let's see if I can get this done. Have some metal splinters, which is awesome. Actually, I was supposed to do it the other way. Hook. Ah. Okay, hang on. Boy, that was hard. I somehow got it in, but it's in. What a pain in the butt. Okay, we're going to adjust it a little bit. As it popped out again, give me a second. Okay, pretty much got everything hooked up. I know I didn't show on camera, but that was just way too finicky. But anyway, now we're first turn on the radio because we're just going to check our throttle endpoints because that's pretty much important. So we're going to go. Savage X, I know guys, my radio's dirty after the monster truck show last Saturday. Now for like a lithium battery, we're going to press and hold it down until that violet light pops on. Okay, we're just going to check our throttle. Full throttle. Full throttle all the way. Now, this is just a temporary servo because my Hobby Star servo, whatever, just went. Anyway, going to get a little bit more of a higher quality servo, a little bit more expensive one, but regardless, see full power and brakes. Oh yeah, brakes works well. Anyway, now we're going to turn on the vehicle. Okay, let's put it down. Now, remember what I told you about the Roadstar 3? This bad boy right here. Oh yeah. Gonna hook it up just like that. Well, the wheelie bar's kind of in the way. Sorry guys, hang on. Alright. Sorry, it's a little bit of a tight fit. But anyway, gonna push the red button and... Oh! Hang on. Ah, come on, stop pushing the button. Fail. Come on. Get in there. Come on. Get in there. Thank you. And then we're going to start up like this. Just like that. So anyway, guys, that should be the end of the video. I hope you all enjoyed it, or some of this almost 1 hour video. Regardless, this J-Counts' body looks really nice on a Savage XL. This is basically for like a 13 inches of wheelbase for like scale monster trucks, but with this Savage combo, it looks really nice, and I'm really digging it. When this body gets damaged, gonna get the same body like this one, but maybe painted to more of a better paint scheme. Anyway, all. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for some more videos. May should be an epic month because I'll be taking one of my savages to a racetrack because these guys will be having like an actual RC monster truck racing event. It's really gonna be badass. I really can't wait. Y'all stay tuned for that. Anyway, y'all, I'm heading out.